Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc. Today we're going to answer a question that comes up often. Can you listen to radio on an iPhone without an internet connection? Unfortunately, the short answer is no. You cannot listen to FM or AM radio on an iPhone without internet access. The reason is simple. iPhones don't have a built-in FM radio tuner, which is the hardware you need to receive over-the-air radio broadcasts. Unlike some older phones, the iPhone was never designed with this feature. So if you want to listen to radio stations, you'll need to rely on internet-based streaming services. There are a few workarounds, but none of them are particularly convenient. For instance, you could use external accessories like a portable FM radio receiver. However, this wouldn't integrate directly with your iPhone, and it wouldn't give you the same seamless experience as using an app. Another option is to use a USB-powered radio with an OTG dongle, but that setup would essentially just turn your phone into a power bank for the radio. Again, not the ideal solution. If you're looking for offline content, downloading podcasts or music playlists ahead of time is a great option. This way, you can still enjoy audio content when you don't have an internet connection. But when it comes to live radio, unfortunately, it's just not something the iPhone can do without being connected to the internet. That's the reality, and there's not much to be done about it. Thanks for watching. If this video answered your question, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips. See you later.